Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to bring you a very special video. It is all about my makeup bag. It has got inside the most important things I would have in my makeup bag. Yes, stay with me if you would like to see. I'm going to now open it. Let's see. I'm going to take out everything. I'm really excited to do this video because I think that it will be really helpful for the people that are now starting with makeup. So the first thing I should say that the skincare routine is very important. So I think that everybody knows their type of skin and they have to use the products that they need to. I mean, you know, a cleanser, after that thermal water and moisturizing as well, sometimes a serum. I don't use any of it. I always clean my face, and if tell me in the comments if you would like me to do a skincare routine. I'm going to start with this Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Makeup, and this from Maybelline. This one I would probably use it every single day if I don't use a CC cream, you know, after applying my moisturizer and as well the sun cream products that I have. This one, it covers a lot. If you don't like it, you could mix it with a bit of moisturizer and you will have a light texture. If you don't want to, this one, it has got SPF 50, so I think that you should take in account that you have to use a very light makeup every single day. If you would normally make up every single day, if you go to work, to school, or if you want to stay at home or you want to go to the gym, why not? You can make up as well. So this one, I would personally really like it, and I'm going to show you another one which you have probably seen a lot in my makeup tutorial, and is this one, True Skin from Catrice. It's a hydrating foundation and is very high pigmented, and it's a long wear at the same time. So the next product, it should be, let me see, of course, the concealer. And this one is one of my favorite ones. It's the Camouflage Matte Concealer from Essence. If you don't have any dark circles and you don't have any spots to conceal, you don't have to use it, so you could skip the conceal part. But I have to use it every single day, so for me it's a must. Okay, and this one in particular, I like it because it's waterproof. It covers even the tattoos, or if you have skin problems, it will cover everything almost. The next thing I'm going to show you, it's normally for oily skins, but as well for mixed skins. For example, this one, it's a powder, a setting powder, and this one is my favorite one, I should say. It's from Rimmel London, and it's the Stay Matte Powder. And the color, the shade of this one is transparent because my skin is very light. So I should say that this is a lightweight powder. So with a little bit of powder, you could set the center of your face, for example, okay? In the drugstore, you can find as well products that are really good. And I'm going to show you this one from Catrice. It's a brow definer, and it has got this kind of brush. It's a pointy brush, and you could use it to define your eyebrows. This one is one of my favorite ones because it's very subtle. Okay, now, of course, not forget about the blush. You shouldn't forget about the blush. I recommend you this one, which is the Essence, the blush. It's a very nice color. The shade, it's called Breathtaking, and yes, it's one of the most pigmented blushes you could use from the drugstore. I like it so much. It's a very nice texture. It's like a corally color that would suit almost every skin, every color of the skin. So I like it a lot. I recommend it to you because it's very silk powders, it's smooth, and of course it's long lasting. The most important thing, if you apply it in the morning, you will have your blush during the whole day. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is this mascara. This is again from the drugstore, and it's from Essence. It is called I Love Extreme. It's crazy volume mascara, and I should say that it's one of my favorite ones. I'm going to show you. It will give you a lot of volume. Can you see the brush? The brush is amazing. I am using it every single day, because it is right that it's ultra black and it's going to give you an extreme volume. The most important thing about this mascara, that is so cheap that you could afford it every single month if you would like to use it every single day. Next thing is this palette, but of course you don't have to have the same one. I recommend you to have a small palette in your makeup bag, and I have this one from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a luxury palette. It is called Pillow Talk, and it has got inside some very nice colors that I use almost every single day, as you can see. This is not from the drugstore. This is a high-end product, and I wanted to invest because I love a lot all the products of Charlotte Tilbury. I must recognize that I am addicted to this palette. I use it almost every single day. I recommend you to invest in palette because normally in general, the palette from the drugstore are usually less pigmented than the ones that are high-ended, but it's not a rule, so you could have exceptions of this kind of palette. But this one, I particularly like it because it's very small, it's lightweight, and of course I love the texture and the pigment and all of it. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to show you, again, it's a high-end product, and is this one from Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. This one, I have used it almost in every tutorial of makeup that I do. It's so nice. It will sculpt your hollows of the cheeks. It will bronze and give a very warm texture to your skin. And not to talk about the highlighter, which it's so subtle. In fact, I'm wearing it at the moment, and can you see it's so nice, so natural. I think that sometimes it's a good idea to invest in some of these products because it will last you a lot of time. Because this one, I have bought it like last year in July, and I have to recognize that it's worth it, and I use it almost every single day. You can see that the bronzer is almost fading because when I'm going to buy it again, I'm going to buy only the bronzer, not the highlighter, because the highlighter lasts longer than the bronzer. So yes, it's one of my favorite makeup items to use in my tutorials. One of the last things that I use in my makeup bag is this one from Maybelline New York. Is this tattoo liner. It's a gel pencil. It's so high pigmented, and I would use it almost every single day to do the twirling technique. and to do my eyeliner. In fact, I want to do it. As you can see, it's very small. It was like this, more or less. And I'm using it almost every single day because it's brown. I don't like to use black for the day. I would normally use brown during the day because it's less harsh. Of course, this one from Maybelline, it's cheap and everybody could afford it because it's a very nice one. And I'm going to show you the texture. Look at this. The texture is really creamy and high pigmented, and of course it's long lasting and waterproof at the same time. So look. If you have enjoyed this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos of this type. Welcome again, and thank you for watching the whole video, and I hope that it will be helpful for you. I'm going to link down all the products that I have shown you in this video, and remember that I could do a skincare routine if you want to know more about it, and please tell me in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Goodbye. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.